Good morning, dear students. Last time we had started trigonometric identities. That is very important topic for you. As you know what is the identities, the equation which is true for all the values of variables, that is called identities. In the case of trigonometric identities, trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions will be involved in that equation. So last time I have derived many identities related to trigonometry. I am going to write that identities again and advise you to learn these identities because that is very important for you. The first one, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. We have already proved these identities. We know that sin theta and cos theta are reciprocal to each other. Why? Because sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cosec theta is equal to what? Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. That's why sin and cosec both are reciprocal to each other. So sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta and cosec theta will be equal to 1 by sin theta. Second, cos theta, you know that cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta. So cos theta will be 1 by sec theta and sec theta will be 1 by cos theta. Okay? Third, tan theta is equal to, we know that tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to each other. That's why tan theta is 1 by cot theta and cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Okay? Fourth one, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Fifth one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is very important identity. Comes in many questions. See, from this identity we can find two more. That is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Also cos square theta and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So actually these three identities are not different identities. This is an identity, this is an identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and these two comes from here. Okay? But you have to learn all these. Now next one, sixth one, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And from this identity we can find two more identities. From here you can see sec square theta is equal to, this is 1, transfer this tan square theta to right side, plus tan square theta. Clearly sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And from here you can see 1 is transferred to left side, we have sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. That. Okay? So we have three more identities. Actually this is the identity and these two comes from here. So these three are not separate identities. Now seventh one, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And from this identity we can find out cosec square theta is equal to 1. Transfer this cot square theta to right side, what we have? Plus cot square theta. Clearly cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And also from here we have cosec square theta, and transfer this 1 to left side, that is minus 1, that will be equal to cot square theta. Okay, this one. So these are identities, trigonometric identity, which in our last WhatsApp class we had already discussed. Now today I am going to solve few questions related to trigonometric identities. So open your book, everyone. And exercise 8.4. Exercise 8.4. Read question number first. Exercise 8.4 and CRT. Read question number first. Question number first is, express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A, sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Express T ratios of sin A, cos A, sin A, sec A, tan A in terms of cot A. मतलब आपको करना क्या है इसमें, आपको sin A को cot A के फॉर्म में लिखना है, sec A को cot A के फॉर्म में लिखना है, tan A को cot A के फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो tan A को तो वेरी इजी, tan A है, tan A कैन बी रिटन एज 1 by cot A. बस हो गया, ये हो गया, tan A एक्सप्रेस हो गया. We have to express tan A in terms of cot A. So tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Finish. Now second one, consider sec A. Sec A. See, sec A can be written as square root of sec square A. We can write this. X can be written as square root of x square. We can write this. That's why sec A can be written as square root of sec square. That can be written as root. अभी आपको मैंने आइडेंटिटी पढ़ाई, आप उस लिस्ट को देखो जहां आइडेंटिटीज आपने नोट किया है. sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So this can be written as root sec square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A. That is root 1 plus. Now we have to convert sec A, this is sec A in terms of cot A. Now you know that tan A is equal to what? Tan A is 1 by cot A. So tan square A can be written as 1 by cot square A. And this one is inside the root. So this can be written as root. Now what will be the LCM of 1 and cot square A? That will be cot square A. So cot square A into 1, cot square A, and plus this is 1. Now you can see this is sec A can be written as square root of, this is 1 plus cot square A, and inside the root you can see inside the root in the denominator, that is cot square A. So this can be outside because root of cot square A will be cot A. Now you can see this is sec A is equal to root 1 plus cot square A upon cot A. That is expression of sec A in terms of cot. So here we express tan A in terms of cot A, and here we express sec A in terms of cot A. Now I am going to express sin A in terms of cot A. So pause the video and note down everyone, that is very important for you. Now I am going to express sin A. See, this sin A can be written as root sin square. We can write this, and we know that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. So this can be written as 1 upon cosec square A. Sin square A is equal to 1 upon cosec square A. That can be written as root of 1 is 1 upon square root of cosec square A. Okay? Now, in the question we have to convert the sin A in terms of cot A, that is 1 by root, and recently we proved here that what is cosec square A, that is equal to 1 plus cot square A. You can check the list of the identity. So cosec square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A. So that is sin. So you can see this sin A expressed in terms of cot. Okay, so that is the solution of question number first. Now everyone read question number second. Question number second is, write all other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Same question, same type question. Each trigonometric ratios, sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A and cosec A, you have to convert all these all these ratios in terms of sec A, जैसे इसमें था. So that will be homework for you. Okay, now I am going to solve question number third. Evaluate first sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree upon cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Okay, we have to evaluate this. See, when we read the topic trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, we know that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. By using that, we can write this. See, this can be written as sin square. This 63 can be written as 90 degree minus 27 degree. We can write this in this form. 63 is equal to 90 minus 27. 90 degree में से 27 आप minus करो, 63 आपको मिल जाएगा. And plus this is sin square 27 upon this is cos square, ये 17 degree है. 17 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 73 degree. You can check. जब 90 में से आप 73 माइनस करोगे, when you subtract 73 from 90, it will be 17 plus cos square 70. Okay. Now, what is the sin 90 minus theta? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. You know this. So this one is that form, sin 90 minus theta, and sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Clearly, it will be cos theta के प्लेस पे यहाँ क्या है 27, cos 27 degree, and because here square is present, so it will be cos square 27, and plus this one sin square 27 degree. Okay, upon this is cos square 90 minus theta. We know that cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? That is sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So cos 90 minus 73 will be sin 73 degree. Okay, and because here cos square, it will be sin square 73, and plus this is cos square 73. Cos square 73. Okay. Now this is, you can see, if 27 degree is theta, so it is in the form of cos square theta plus sin square theta, and we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so that's why cos square theta plus sin square theta, ये दोनों सेम होना चाहिए. 27 है, यहाँ भी 27 है, तो cos square theta plus sin square theta, that will be 1, and here you can see sin square theta plus cos square theta, that will be 1. So 1 upon 1 is 1. So its answer will be 1. Third का first क्या आएगा आंसर? 1. And third का second, that will be homework for you. Now question number 4. There are many parts in question number 4. I am going to solve few of them. Question number 4, that is multiple choice questions. Choose the correct option, justify your answer. First one is 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a will be equal to what? And there are options are A, that is 1, B, that is 9, C, that is 8, and D, that is 0. See, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square. See its solution. You can see 9 is common from both. So 9 can be taken outside. It will be sec square a minus tan square. Okay, that is 9. Now see the list of identities. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So that will be 9 into 1, that is 9. So your option B is correct. B is correct. Okay. Now next, question number 4, second part. I am going to rub this. So pause the video and note down, everyone. Second one, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to what? Options are A 0, B 1, C 2, and D minus 1. So we have to find out value of this one. Okay, see, consider this one. This is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. That is, now see your identities list. You have to learn all that, but still when you have not learned that, put a note of the identities in front of you and see from there. That is 1 plus tan theta is what? Sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta, and plus sec theta 1 by cosec theta. Oh, sorry, 1 by cos theta. Okay, and this one 1 plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Okay, now in this bracket, what will be the LCM? LCM is cos theta. Here will become cos theta plus sin theta and plus 1 into, here will become LCM is sin theta. So here will become sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay. Now observe carefully in the numerators. the first two term, this one and this one, is same. That is sin theta plus cos theta. Here also this is sin theta plus cos theta. And the next term, this is plus 1 and this is minus 1. So this is up in the form a plus b into a minus b. At the place of a here, cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta, and at the place of b here, 1. And we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That's why, what is the product of the numerators? It will be a square means cos theta plus sin theta square minus b square means 1 square. Okay? Upon, this is sin theta into cos theta. So cos theta, sin theta. Now you can see this cos theta plus sin theta whole square is the identity a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can expand this. It will be cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay? And this is minus 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1 upon, this is upon cos theta sin theta. That is cos theta sin theta. We have to write this upon cos theta sin theta. Okay? Now you can see the first two term of the numerator, cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now see your list of the identities. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this can be written as, that is equal to 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta and minus, that is 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Okay? So this plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. What will become? We have 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. So cos theta cancel, sin theta cancel. What will become? 2. Your answer is 2. So that is C. C is correct. C is correct. Got it? Interesting. Now next one. Third one. Question number 4, third part. Third part is sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a equals to a sec a, b sin a, c cosec a and d cosec. Which one is correct? So, say its solution. Consider this is given sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Again, by identities, trigonometric identities, sec a is 1 by cos a. Sec a is reciprocal of cos a, and plus tan a is sin a upon cos a. Sin a upon cos a into 1 minus sin a. So that is cos a, it will be 1 plus sin a. LCM of, in this bracket, LCM of the denominators is cos a, it will be 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a. Now in the numerators you can see this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So it will be 1 square minus sin square a upon cos a. Okay? And that will be equal to what? 1 minus sin square a. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1 minus sin square a upon cos a. And again check your identities list. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So it will be cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Check your identities list. Upon cos A. So in the numerator there is cos square A and in the denominator cos A. So it will be, one will be cancelled, that will be cos A. Okay. So your option D is correct. D is correct option. So that is the solution of third part of question number 4. Now fourth part of question number 4. Fourth part of question number 4. That is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to A, that is sec square A, B, that is minus 1, C, that is cot square A, and D, that is tan square A. Okay. See, solution. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Check your identities list. 1 plus tan square A is sec square A and 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. 1 plus tan square A, that is sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A, and also sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So sec square theta will be 1 by cos square theta upon cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So cosec square theta will be 1 by sin square theta. So it can be written as, see इस ये reciprocal हो जाएगा. We have sin square theta upon cos square theta. And we know that sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So sin square theta upon cos square theta, that will be tan square theta. Now you can see this is tan square A, that is D. So D is correct. So actually here A, so it will be A, it will be A, it will be A, it will be A, this one will be A. So your option D is correct. So that is enough for today. I am going to give you homework. Question number 5th. There are many parts in question number 5th. I left few questions, that will be also homework for you. There are only 10 parts in question number 5th. So solve first one, third one, 5th, 7th, 10th. Okay. So these 5 questions will be homework for you. Thank you so much.